Hello, my name is Anna, and I'm 25 years old. I was born in London and I still live here. London is a big and bustling city, but despite its busy nature, I really love living here. There's always something new to discover and learn. Even though the mornings are crowded, the energy of the city is truly inspiring. I live with my family. My parents are the most important people in my life. My mother loves cooking and is really good at it. My father is an engineer and is very hardworking. I have an older brother named Mark, and he also lives in London. He is a very cheerful person, and we sometimes go to the movies together or meet at a cafe for a chat. My daily life. I wake up every morning at 7 a.m. for breakfast. I usually have cheese, bread, and tea. While having breakfast, I usually follow the news. I leave for work at 8 a.m. Transportation in London is very convenient, but the traffic can be heavy at times. I mostly use the subway or bus. It takes me about 30 minutes to get to work. I work as a software developer. I've always been interested in software, and I find it fascinating to develop my own projects. Every day I learn something new, and I feel like I am constantly improving myself in this field. In the evenings, I usually meet up with friends or watch TV at home. My brother and I usually decide together which movie to watch. My hobbies. In my free time, I love reading books, especially fantasy novels. My favorite author is J.K. Rowling. I've read the Harry Potter series several times, and I still continue to read it. I also enjoy doing sports, and I go to the gym a few times a week. Physical activity helps me relieve stress from the day. My family and friends. I really enjoy spending time with my family. My parents have always supported me, and cooking with them at home is really fun. I get along very well with my brother. On weekends, we usually plan to go to the park or to the cinema with our friends.
Alex. Hello, my name is Alex. I am 32 years old, and I live in New York. New York is, in my opinion, one of the most exciting cities in the world. People here move quickly, and there's always something happening. Everyone has their own story, and there's always something new to discover on every corner. This city is full of freedom and opportunity. Living here means meeting new people and experiencing different cultures, which I really value. As for my family, my parents live in a small town outside of New York. My father is a retired teacher, and my mother works in healthcare. I also have a younger sister named Emma, and she lives in New York too. I get along very well with her, and we love spending time together. We often go for a walk or grab coffee during weekends. In my daily life, I wake up early most mornings because my job is quite demanding. I work in the advertising industry, designing digital campaigns for brands. The creative process really satisfies me, and I love the challenge of finding new ways to engage people. In the evenings, I usually meet with friends or relax at home. I enjoy cooking healthy meals for myself and my friends.
Maria. Hola. My name is Maria. I'm 28 years old, and I live in Barcelona. Barcelona is famous for its sun, beaches, and amazing food. Life here is very relaxed, and at the same time, it's incredibly vibrant. I love exploring the historical buildings and always find excitement in discovering the city step by step. I live with my family. My mom is a great cook, and she loves making traditional Spanish dishes. My father is a doctor and is very helpful. I have a younger brother named Luis, and I am very fond of him. We go bike riding together a few times a week. In my daily life, I usually wake up early to go for a walk along the beach. It brings me peace of mind to explore the streets of Barcelona. I use public transport to get to work, and transportation here is very convenient. I work in the advertising sector, collaborating with brands on various projects. In the evenings, I usually cook at home or go out with my friends to explore new restaurants and cafes.
John. GJ, my name is John, and I am 30 years old, living in Sydney. Sydney is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Here, beaches, sunshine, and a relaxed lifestyle are prominent. People are very friendly, and life here is usually quite calm. I love starting my day with a swim at the beach, as it helps me feel refreshed. As for my family, my parents are retired and live in a rural area, far from Sydney. I visit them whenever I can. I have a younger sister named Lucy, and she lives in Sydney as well. We both enjoy an active lifestyle, and we often go surfing together. In my daily life, I wake up early in the morning and usually go surfing or take a swim at the beach. I work in advertising and media, creating campaigns for different brands. In the evenings, I enjoy spending time with my friends, either having a barbecue or just relaxing at home.
Sophia. Ciao. My name is Sophia, and I live in Rome. Rome is a city where you can dive into history and discover something new at every corner. Life here is both traditional and modern. I love exploring historical sites, and I always feel excited to discover the city step by step. I live with my family. My mother is an excellent cook, and she enjoys making traditional Italian dishes. My father is a doctor and is always supportive. I have a younger brother, Andrea, who is 18 years old, and I am very close to him. We go bike riding together a few times a week. In my daily life, I wake up early and go for a walk in the streets of Rome. Walking through the streets gives me peace. I use public transportation to get to work, and it's very convenient here. I work in advertising and collaborate with various brands. In the evenings, I usually cook at home or go out with my friends to explore new places in the city. My name is Kate. I love animals. Hi, my name is Kate. I am 29 years old, and I live in a small town in the United States. I am an animal lover, and I work as a veterinarian. I've always wanted to help animals, so becoming a vet was a dream come true for me. I work at a local animal clinic where I take care of sick and injured animals. It's a very rewarding job because I can make a difference in the lives of animals and their owners. I have a cat named Bella and a dog named Rocky. They are both very friendly and love playing with each other. In my free time, I enjoy volunteering at animal shelters and raising awareness about animal rights. I also like hiking and exploring nature. I believe it's important to take care of our planet and all living creatures. I hope to one day open an animal rescue centre to help more animals in need.
My name is Chris. I love sports. Hello, my name is Chris. I am 26 years old, and I live in a small town in the United Kingdom. I work as a fitness trainer at a gym. I love sports, and I have been playing football since I was a child. I also enjoy running and swimming. Sports have always been a big part of my life, and I am very passionate about helping others get fit and healthy. In addition to working at the gym, I also give private lessons to people who want to improve their fitness. My dream is to open my own fitness center one day. In my free time, I enjoy going hiking in the mountains or riding my bike. I also like to watch football matches on TV. I have a younger brother named James, who is also very active and plays football with me. I believe that exercise is important for staying healthy, and I encourage everyone to be active.
My name is Olivia. I am a writer. Hi, my name is Olivia. and I am 40 years old. I live in a small house in the countryside with my husband and our 2 children. I am a writer, and I have written several novels. Writing is my passion, and I love creating stories that transport people to different worlds. My first book was published when I was 25, and since then, I've written many more. I also enjoy writing short stories and poems. In addition to writing, I love reading. My favorite authors are Jane Austen and Charles Dickens. I believe that reading helps me become a better writer. In my free time, I like to go for walks in nature, do yoga, and spend time with my family. We often go on trips to explore new places. I am also interested in history and enjoy visiting historical sites. One day, I want to publish a book about my travels and experiences.
My name is Daniel. I am a software developer. Hello, my name is Daniel. I am 32 years old, and I work as a software developer. I create websites and applications for companies. I have been working in technology for many years, and I really enjoy it because I love solving problems and creating new things. I am from Berlin, Germany, but I moved to London for work. I live in a small apartment with my girlfriend, Anna. She works as a nurse at a local hospital. I like spending my free time learning new programming languages and improving my skills. I am also interested in artificial intelligence and robotics. When I am not working, I enjoy playing video games and watching science fiction movies. I also like going to the gym to stay fit and healthy. I love traveling and have visited many countries in Europe. My dream is to work on a big tech project that helps people.
My name is Lucy. I am a photographer. Hi, my name is Lucy. I am 27 years old, and I am a photographer. I love taking pictures of people, places, and nature. I started taking pictures when I was a teenager, and over the years, my love for photography has grown. I live in a big city called Sydney, Australia. I moved here a few years ago to start my career. I love exploring the city and finding beautiful places to photograph. In addition to photography, I also enjoy painting. It helps me relax and express my creativity. I have a small studio where I work, and I also do freelance photography. I often travel for work to take pictures for different companies and magazines. I have a cat named Milo, who is very playful. In my free time, I enjoy going to the beach, swimming, and spending time with my friends. I also like reading books and watching documentaries about art and history.
My name is Michael. I live in a small village in Italy. Hello, my name is Michael. I am 35 years old, and I live in a beautiful small village in Italy. It's a quiet place, and I love the calm environment. I work as an architect, and I design houses. I always wanted to be an architect because I love buildings and how they are designed. I enjoy working with my hands and seeing my ideas come to life. I am married to a lovely woman named Isabella. We have 2 children, a daughter named Sophia and a son named Luca. They are both very energetic and love playing outside. On weekends, we go to the countryside to enjoy nature and relax. I also love cooking, and I often make traditional Italian dishes like pasta and pizza. My hobbies include photography and traveling. I enjoy visiting historical sites and learning about different cultures. I hope to travel more and see more of the world.